Hello YouTube, I'm back and finally did it. I'm finally a aweber customer. I joined aweber about a couple weeks ago, and so far I'm liking it so far. I told you my previous videos that I'm going to transition my current list with SendLane into aweber, and I have officially opened an account with aweber. And no, I have only 2 subscribers right now. I have not transferred my list from SendLane to aweber yet. The reason for that, to be honest, is I'm running landing pages right now and some paid traffic. And in my last video, you see that I'm running a landing page that gets a 30% conversion rate. So, and that's the, excuse me, it's running really good right now. So I'm waiting until that landing page, that money is ran out. Then I will start transferring my list into aweber and close up the SendLane account, and I have aweber as my primary autoresponder. But as of right now, I'm liking it so far. It's easier, has sign-up forms, has reports. You can manage all your lists from here. Cause I only got 2 subscribers. Well, let's go back home. Well, so yeah, I got 2. And in my next couple of videos, I'm gonna show you like different stuff about SendLane, but aweber. And as you know, my previous videos, I talked about the blog broadcast that I wanted to do. I wanted to set up. Yeah, the blog oh man, go back. Yeah, the blog broadcast. That's the #1 reason I wanted to get aweber, because I have a blog. It's in the description below. I have a blog, and aweber will automatically take my blog posts, put them in an email form, and send to my list automatically 3-4 times a week if I choose to. I really like that feature, because now, I don't have to always create content for emails. It automatically, my blog post could be an email to my list as well. So, and also if I do a YouTube video on my blog post, it will also post that to my list. So if I create a new YouTube video and I got 1,000 subscribers, I'll have over 400 or 500 views in the next couple of hours. So email list is instant traffic. I like aweber so far. And I'm showing everybody that, hey, I finally got the account. I only got 2 subscribers right now, but it's all good. The number's going to change very soon. We have over 570 subscribers I got on my SendLane account. I recently cleaned my lists from that, I call them dead weight, and I have a more accurate list now that more opens. So that's my little quick video of SendLane. Oh, okay, SendLane. aweber, excuse me. No more SendLanes. After a while, I'm gonna just stop using SendLane, cancel the account, and go to aweber full time. If you want to join aweber, I'm gonna do videos in the future of aweber of all these features, especially this one right here. I love that one. I'm gonna do a video about that as well. If you want to join aweber, in the description box below, I have a link to aweber. With my link, you will get a 30-day free trial, risk-free trial. You try aweber for 30 days. Try for 30 days. If you like it, keep it. If you don't, cancel it. Go somewhere else. And I have a link to aweber. I have a link to my blog as well. So you can check my blog out as well. Let me know how you think. So let's turn on again, and thanks for watching.